few of you are still struggling with getting your assignment 5 handed in. I'm just going to walk through handing it in on this short video, which I'll post to this handing in assignment 5 article on my learning space. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this HTML file. So I'm going to right click over it. I'm going to do save link as. Okay. And where I want to save it is in my project. So I want to save it in the same folder as the index.html is in. So I can go to my project as CP202 assignment 5. And here it is in the Finder. So I want to go into the www folder because that's where my index.html is in my project. So I want to save it in the same place as that. So I click Save, and then I just happen to have a copy of Visual Studio Code open with my project in it. There's the index.html, and there's the assignment 5 hand in HTML. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be filling in this assignment 5 hand in HTML, and I'm going to be that's what I'm going to be submitting in the Dropbox. So I'm going to replace these two links right here. So I'm going to just start by getting rid of these, so you can just see where I replace things. So see, I left a rogue H in there, so I'm going to get rid of that too. All right. So there's two things that I need to hand in. I need to have a project on GitHub, and then I need to have that project published via GitHub Pages. So for both of those, I'm going to go to my GitHub, which I'm already logged into. I'm going to click Start a Project. I'm going to do CP202 Assignment 5. This is my website project. I'm going to leave it public. I am going to initialize this repository with a README. I don't really need a git ignore. If I did, though, I would pick node. And because this is for students, I like to license what the examples I put on GitHub with the MIT license. So I'm going to click Create Repository, and bam, now you have the first link that you can hand in. So that's your GitHub repository. So I'm going to copy that, Control C it, I'm going to go into Visual Studio Code. I'm going to paste that here for the first link. Okay, now I'm going to go back to GitHub. I'm going to click on Settings and get the second link. So if I go partway down Settings here, GitHub Pages, I'm going to pick the master branch, I'm going to click Save, and when I scroll down again, bam, I've got the second link. So I'm going to right mouse over that. I'm going to do Copy Link Address. I'm going to paste that into this second spot here. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this onto Dropbox. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to the Dropbox. I'm going to go to assignment 5. Show all the. Okay, so I'm going to have trouble actually submitting this, but what I would do is I would drag and drop this file onto the Dropbox. So it's here in my Finder, along with my index.html. So this is the file here that I would submit that I've just edited.